All right, here we are. We are in Omak, Washington, North Omak, actually. Up on the hill, we are at the location, the former site of the Canamera smelter and mill. Here's a little bit of some of the ore they were using. You see some of the metal in it there. And just got up here a few minutes ago. That's the truck down there. And I'm going to show you the hillside here. That looks like an assay furnace right over there, which I'll take you to. And this is the steps up the hill. The pilings left from the machinery and the various levels. And lots of really interesting rock around here. This is all, not basalt, it's all granite out here in this part. So you can see that. And I'm going to take you over here to the, I believe this was an assay furnace, but here's a brick that was in some of the furnaces. It's got slag on it from the smelting process there. That's slag on the bricks. That's all slag on the bricks there. I'll show you this. Here's some of the junk. You can see something to do with the firing process. There's copper in that now. There's some slag there connected to the bricks. Slag on those old bricks. And you can see that they use this for firing. It's got all the fire bricks around it, inside of it. I'll show you inside. There's a bunch of slag there too. So this is where they were doing some sort of firing. I'm not sure what. I'm surprised to see wood in there, but maybe I'm totally wrong about this. It is riveted though, so it is very old, before welding. So that's interesting. You see the big rivets here. Take you around to this side. More broken glass and looks like maybe a bottle and pieces of equipment. That's a big chunk of slag there. You can see this thing from the side. And looks like there's more pieces of slag there. And big chunks of slag over here in the furnace. Yeah, so Canamera mine, North Omak, Washington. Nice view of the valley up here. And I'll show you some more later.